Hello everybody, today we are going to work with the Canmore water heater powered by gas. We are going to work on two things. First, if your pilot light not staying on, and second thing, how to light your pilot light. As you can see, I have a pilot, or you can say burner assembly outside water heater, and I have a replaced thermocouple with the universal thermocouple. Out of 100%, if your pilot light not staying on, that's the chance, 99% chances your thermocouple is bad. So I replaced, but before we install, let's go through the basic. That's the main valve. It have a RTD behind it and reading temperature from the tank. According to the water temperature, wherever your desired set point, it will control the gas through the burner. Like this pipe, it will feed gas and shut down gas. And there's another pipe, this one always stays on, the feeding gas, and this pilot light will stay on with the minimum gas through this pipe. And anytime this RTD read temperature less, or whatever your set point, like say if you have a very hot, and anytime your set point reach to it, this gas shut down, and but this one stays on. But any chances if your thermocouple is bad, it's not reading or reading crazy numbers, then your pilot light for safety will be shut down. Now let's install the burner assembly and hooked up everything. Then we will go to the pilot light, how to turn on pilot light, and we will stay if that's gonna be fix my issue. I'm bringing the camera a little bit closer. As you can see, there is a metal piece inside. The pilot need to be sits in the middle of that one. The pipe, the gas pipe need to be go through that one. That's the exactly middle spot. So now let's install, and we're gonna tight all the pipes and make sure there is no leak, and we will start lighting our pilot. Now all the connections are made. Only one thing left to connect it is igniter. I will do it later. First we're gonna turn on the gas and make sure there is no gas leak or any fire hazard. So let's turn on main gas valve and make sure no gas leak or you don't feel any smell. In my case, everything look okay. I'm ready to fire my pilot. So as you can see, I'm gonna bring this knob to the pilot position where you can press it easy. It will go up and down, and this set point knob I'm gonna bring to pilot lighting position. As you can see, there's a pilot lighting and there's an arrow. We're gonna make the both face to face, and now we are ready to connect our igniter. You need to make sure this wire are really connected. It is really hard to make sure because they have a plastic sleeve on it. If this wire not connected, you're not gonna see any spark. There's not gonna be any light to the pilot. You're not gonna get any spark. So now let's go through the process how we gonna light our pilot. So you have to press and hold this button, and you need to click igniter switch so you can get a spark. You can click as many times you want until you see any fire, and you need to hold this pilot button for like about 20 to 30 seconds. As soon as thermocouple reaches some heat, it will you can let it go. Then it will start controlling everything by this valve, and you need to move this switch to the on position, and you can turn your water control switch on desired position. Now let's focus on the pilot light. I'm going to start my pilot light. I'm going through the process the way we see. I'm clicking. So as you can see, now I see some light, and I'm still holding my pilot button, and I will let it hold for like about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I will let it go. I'm still holding. Now it's about to like 30 seconds. I'm going to release my pilot push button, and I will move my set point. So now you can see I let the pilot button go, and you can see there's a pilot light. It stays on now. I'm gonna turn my gas valve on position and set to one of the position, and you can see there's a fire right now. Burner is on. So now my water heater start working. You can also see there's also pilot light on. The both things are on right now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.